In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment profile in Google Play Store. To begin, open the Google Play Store on your device. This action sets the stage for accessing all the features and options available to you. The Google Play Store icon typically looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the screen will display a range of apps, games, and other content. This is where you'll find everything you need for your device. By starting here, you ensure you have a direct path to all your app needs. Next, tap your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This icon usually represents your Google account and may display your picture or initials. When you select this icon, a menu will pop up showing various options related to your account. This is an important step because it leads you to the settings where you can manage your payment profiles. You will notice how easy it is to access account information. Now tap on Settings from the menu that appears. This section is crucial as it houses various options for personalizing your experience. When you select Settings, you are prompted to view and adjust your preferences. Doing this allows you to manage everything from account details to payment methods. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with these settings for a smoother experience. After that, tap on General. This section provides a broad overview of your account settings. By selecting General, you can navigate to more specific options related to your account preferences. It's beneficial to explore this area as it can offer insights into how your account operates. You might discover features or settings you weren't aware of before. Next, tap on Account and Device Preferences. This option gives you access to manage how your account interacts with your devices. Here, you can view important details like your payment methods and device settings. Choosing this option is essential as it ensures that your account is set up the way you want it. It streamlines your experience across devices, keeping everything organized. Now tap on Country and Profiles. This step is vital as it allows you to view and select from different payment profiles available in your account. The Country and Profiles section is where you can switch between different payment methods and regions if applicable. This matters because it can affect your access to various apps and services based on your location. Finally, select the payment profile you want to use. This is the moment where you make the actual change to your payment settings. You will see a list of available payment profiles associated with your account. Choose the one that best fits your needs. This selection is crucial as it determines how you will be charged for purchases made in the Google Play Store. With all these steps completed, you have successfully changed your payment profile. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know your changes have been saved. Remember, managing your payment profiles is essential for a seamless experience in the Google Play Store. It keeps your account secure and tailored to your preferences. Thank you for following along, and I hope this video has been helpful.